Naomi Coleman with Copper Creek Builders. Today we are showing you a brand new plan. This is called the Aster. It's about 1,500 square feet. We'll walk you through. This first room that you're in is kind of designated as an office space, so it sits to the front of the house, so you get some nice light that comes in here. We'll kind of walk a little bit throughout the house. It is under full construction, so we won't be able to go in every room, but we can kind of take a look around and get a little bit of a feel for the floor plan. So let's go take a look. So right here off of the front, so the front door sits right on my right, and then that's where the office was. There's also a small hall closet, and then down this little alleyway leads you to the kitchen. Nice open floor concept. Sliding glass door off the back. You'll notice that this floor plan is very similar to a lot of ours as far as having an open floor concept. All of the lighting is the same, finishes are the same. Individuals have compared this floor plan, which is the Aster, to our Parkview series. So if at some point you are interested in any of our Parkviews, this could be a good option for you. A little bit smaller as far as the square footage goes. It sits on lots that are pretty low maintenance and not a ton of yard work. So if you want something that's lock and leave, or you just simply don't want to take care of a lot of yard work, this is a great floor plan. So we've got a couple in the Villa series. So we've got a Daisy, which is about 1,300 square feet. We've got an Aster, which is about 1,500 square feet. And then we've got a Lilac, which sits close to like 1,800 square feet. That one is a 2-story home. The Aster and the Daisy are single story. So that is something that interests you. We do have a little bit of availability left. I believe we have one lot available that can fit one of these 3 plans. This package is going to be our modern farmhouse package. So you've seen this one before. We have made some modifications. So different countertops. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. We'll give them a second. Kind of take a look around the room. This is the guest bathroom right here. Here's the garage. It is so exciting to be on site because lots is happening. As you can hear, there's a lot of tile work happening in the master bathroom. So we're not going to look in there today, but in a future video we will. So it's always fun to see movement, even though it is a little bit loud here and there. So the garage is off the side. So this one does have a front-facing garage. So if you are familiar with our Parkview series, you'll notice that those ones all have the garages in the back of the home, while this one has it in the front. So more of a traditional feel for that. Standard 2-car garage. So that's just a quick overview of our Daisy. It's kind of down with all of what's going on. So we hope you enjoyed walking through. If you do have any more questions on the Aster, which is this floor plan, or any of our other floor plans, we do have some more availability for the Villa series, just a couple of lots. So feel free to give me a call if you want more information. Our number here in the office is 970-985-8247. Again, that number is 970-985-8247. Have a good day.